Lecture 14 Practical Class of Data Section. As we already know, GeoServer contains 6 sections inside GeoServer web admin page on the left portion, in where data section is the major section for our web GIS work. So, this lecture is mainly about data section. Let's see which options are included in data sections. There are 6 options inside data section. 1. Layer preview. 2. Workspaces. 3. Stores. 4. Layers. 5. Layer groups. And 6. Styles. Let's see one by one. Layer preview. This is our layer preview page, which contains the list of all published layers. Say this is the layer name, World Rectangle, Manhattan. This is the name of layer, and in the name column we can see the layers corresponding workspace, and by using these options we can open this published layer in web browser or Google Earth or any web interface. Now let's see workspaces. Workspaces is showing the list of all directory inside GeoServer. Say here is the workspaces list, site, and URC. These are the directory inside our GeoServer. We will add our stores inside any one of these workspace. Now let's see stores. Stores contain the list of all stores inside GeoServer. In here we can see one workspaces can contain more than one stores. Say an URC workspace contain more than one stores. One is ArcGrid sample, another one is IMG sample 2, another one is Mosaic. These all stores are included in workspace name and URC. So one workspace contain more than one stores. And next we will see one store contain more than one layer. Let's see layers page. Layer page contains the list of all published and unpublished layers. In here we can see the layer name, its workspaces, and store name. Here is the store name, here is the workspace, and the native SRS list. Now let's see layer groups. Layer group contain all of grouped layer inside GeoServer. So it means we can publish not only a single layer in web browser by using GeoServer, we can also make our WebGIS project by using combined layers. GeoServer make all of these layers as a group layer, and combinedly GeoServer can publish all of these layers as a one map frame. Now let's see styles. Styles contain the list of all styles inside GeoServer. We can create also a new styles by using SLD code. Styles files is responsible to change the feature color of map in our WebGIS interface of GeoServer. When we create a WebGIS map by using GeoServer, we can change the feature color of our web map by using style files. So we need to choose a suitable style file for our particular GIS map. For polygon feature, we need to choose a polygon style file. For point features, we need to choose a styles which contain the SLD code for point feature. So styles is also an essential part of WebGIS map in GeoServer. So these are all about data sections. I hope all of you are enjoying this course, remember, don't watch only. We believe learning by doing. So learn GIS, then play with this to enjoy this GIS. Have a good day. Thank you.